Hands-on experience for me is a lot easier than just reading out a textbook. And the fact that our teachers and instructors have been in the workforce, they can give us more of that hands-on feel. Being out at extern, it gives us that actual hands-on feel. So I'm like, hey, when I actually get a job or when I work, I can do this. And there's not going to be a doubt in my mind that I can do it. The faculty, they're awesome. I love them all. They're just really nice, and they're all SJVC graduates themselves, so they know exactly where I'm coming from. You know, whenever we had questions, there's always someone in the class who was able to answer it for us, who was able to help us, whether the teacher was too busy or the teacher came in our group projects. They really made us all come together, and there's friends now that I call every week now that I'm just like, hey, what are you doing? Let's hang out, you know? And I don't know. I just really, the SJVC community, family, it's just, I love it. I really do. Just go for it. It's an awesome environment to be around. We're a family here, and it's just an awesome thing to be a part of because everyone is here to help you. There's so many instructors that I know now, even outside of school, that they're like, hey, you know, do you need a reference? This is the job I've heard of. Do you need, you know, what do you need help with? Let me help you. And I'm not even currently going to school here. It's just, everything's here to help you.